Hi everyone, Shay here at Tallgrass Tailor, and today we're going to be meeting a very special need. Our doctors in the area have requested extra masks and anyone who can sew to contribute to the cause, and so we are going to go through a DIY face mask today. Follow along. We only need a few materials for our project. Some 100% cotton yardage, scissors, ruler, something to mark with, pins, and 2 pieces of 7-inch elastic for the ear straps. All right, let's get started. Okay, let's talk a little math before we get cutting. We're starting with fabric width of 44 inches. This is standard width of quilting cotton coming right off the bolt. Our mask needs to be 9 inches wide by 6 inches deep with 4 layers. So if we fold and cut the right way, we should be able to get 8 masks out of 1 yard of fabric with no waste. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, now to cut. Our fabric is folded with selvage edges together and a crease on this side. We're going to cut along that crease and leave this fabric doubled and then cut 9-inch increments, 4 across. That will give us 8. Okay, now that we're done cutting, we're going to set the rest of our pieces aside and start making our individual mask. Our individual piece measures 9 inches by 22 inches, and we're going to begin by folding right sides together and sewing along this top raw edge. After that, we'll flip to the outside and fold again. Okay, we're back. We've sewn along the edge, flipped, and pressed this flat. We are now going to fold the fabric one more time to create those 4 layers. Raw edges on the side, top stitch along the top. Okay, we've secured our edges, so we only have raw edges on the short sides now. We are ready to pin in our pleats and put on our elastic. Okay, let's mark in our pleats. We're going to measure down from the top 1 inch and mark, 2.5 inches, mark, and 4 inches, mark. Then we're going to do that on the other side. 1 inch, 2.5, 4. Each pleat is going to be folded down 1/4 inch, so that means it'll take out 1/2 inch total. So we're just going to fold our fabric on the mark we made and bring it down 1/4 inch. Pin. Fold again on the next mark, bring it down 1/4 inch, and pin. Finally, on the other side, pin. Now that we've got our pins in, we are also going to put the elastic on so that when we sit down, we can sew them all at once. So we're going to pin the elastic in each corner, raw edge out, just like the fabric, so we can finish them all at once. And then without twisting the elastic, bring it down and pin it to the other edge. And same thing on the other side. All right, we are ready to sew. We are going to sew a straight line, 1/4 inch in seam allowance, straight across the pleats and the elastic to hold everything in place. Let's go. Okay, we have sewn down our pleats, sewn down our elastic, and serged our raw edge. Now all we have to do is flip this up and top stitch it down. Let's go. Okay, we've top stitched down our last edge, just turning over 1/2 inch seam allowance, and now we are ready to try it on. I think it fits. Thank you so much for joining me on this tutorial, and thank you to all the incredible healthcare workers out there leading the charge. We appreciate you.